and welcome back to my channel where I do all things DIY and home decor. So today I'm going to be showing you how I decorated my space on a budget without sacrificing the aesthetic and the look that I really wanted. I'm going to show you what things I got from Amazon, from Wayfair, even some things that I picked up from the thrift store that you don't have to spend money on and they can still look completely cute and get that look you're going after. Hopefully it gives you some ideas and some inspiration of what you can do for your home, and it can inspire you to still go after the style and look of your home that you really want without having to spend a fortune, because sometimes style changes. I'm the kind of person who a couple years from now will probably be wanting a completely different style, and I don't want to feel guilty that I spent thousands of dollars on my home decor. So this way you don't have to feel guilty in a few years from now when everything changes if you want to change up your space too. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it gives you some inspiration. Let's get right into it. So this is a little footage from before I did all my decor. We had just moved in. I ended up painting everything white. We replaced the floors, but just so you can have an idea of what the layout looked like before. So instead of spending thousands of dollars on an entire new sofa set, I ended up opting for this sofa cover from Amazon. This cover cost $39.49, and this was a huge difference as opposed to buying a new couch. It doesn't have a perfect fit, but I just went around all the edges and I tucked in the fabric and I smoothed it all out, and it ended up looking really nice. I did not like the back cushions that came with this couch, so I got some Euro pillows from Target. They were only $10, and then I got these pillow covers from Amazon that were $21.90. So total, I spent about $40 for these pillows and the covers. Next, I got some geometric pillow covers to throw over my old throw pillows. It was a set of 6 for $15.99. So just to show you what the couch originally looked like with the old cushions, without the cover, it was ugly. And after. Next up was my coffee table. I wanted something that looked expensive, but that wasn't expensive. Some of the coffee tables I saw ran into the thousands. I ended up choosing this one from Wayfair, which cost $159.99. I chose this one because it felt nice and light and airy, and it wouldn't take up too much visual space. All the decor pieces I used on my table were things I already had at home. Instead of getting a second couch for my space, which I felt would make it look cluttered, I decided to go for these really nice modern faux leather chairs from Amazon. They were only $134 each, so together I spent around $270, which I think was a fantastic price for both of these chairs, since they look like they could have each cost $300. Since my pillow covers came in a pack of 6, I used 4 for the sofa and I had 1 for each chair left over. Plants are an inexpensive way to make a space feel lively. Make sure you check out my video on the best plants for decor for easy to care plants to make your space feel beautiful. For my entryway, I ended up finding the perfect little entrance table for only $64.99 from Amazon. This little table was the perfect color that matched my floors. It's a really good size for a small space. It doesn't take up much room and it looks super sleek and modern. I had been shopping around for these big round mirrors for a while. I couldn't find anything that was under $120 until I stumbled upon Hobby Lobby's website and they were having 50% off all their mirrors. They actually do this very frequently, so this mirror ended up costing me only $60. I really recommend you check them out. I absolutely love how this entrance turned out. A lot of my little decor items I actually got from thrift stores. So this little tray I got from a thrift store. All the books that I use for my decor are from thrift stores. And make sure you check out the video on my channel on how I upgraded my thrift store finds. I'm so happy with how my space turned out. Using a combination of things I already had and the things I purchased, which I just showed you, I spent a little under $600, which I feel is great since just buying one brand new couch would have probably cost me double that amount. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you get inspiration for your home. And I hope it shows you that even on a budget, you can still have a beautiful, cozy home that you love. So make sure and subscribe and like this video for more videos to come.